Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Sangya, you already know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and the name of anything, place, feeling, thing, person, that is known as Sangya. So, Sangya ke base, how many types of Sangya is there? There are 3 types of proper noun, common noun, abstract noun. You already know, right? So, Vyaktivachak Sangya is
Yes.
proper noun. Jativachak Sangya is common noun. Bhavavachak Sangya is abstract noun. Okay. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा जिस संज्ञा से किसी विशेष व्यक्ति, विशेष स्थान अथवा विशेष वस्तु का बोध हो उसे व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, पर्टिकुलर थिंग. पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जवाहरलाल नेहरू, पर्टिकुलर प्लेस ताजमहल, particular thing Colgate toothpaste. So it's a name of a Colgate, right? So that kind of संज्ञा इज नोन एज व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. जैसे यमुना, हिमालय, हिंदी, जवाहरलाल, ताजमहल, रामायण, बाइबल, गीतांजलि, राइट. सेकंड
What
इज
is Vishesh?
व्यक्ति विशेष. विशेष मीन्स पर्टिकुलर.
Yes, ma'am.
विशेष मीन्स स्पेशल. वन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और स्पेशल पर्सन, विशेष स्थान, वन पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, विशेष वस्तु, पर्टिकुलर थिंग आदि का बोध. बोध मीन्स आइडेंटिफाई. ओके. आदि का बोध होता है, उसे व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. जातिवाचक संज्ञा मीन्स कॉमन नाउन. जिस संज्ञा से किसी एक जाति के सभी पदार्थों या प्राणियों का ज्ञान हो. द नाउन फ्रॉम विच द substance, the object or the creature of one category are identified. That is called common noun. That is called जातिवाचक संज्ञा. Right? पदार्थों means substances, actually you can consider as an object. प्राणियों means creature.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. जैसे बालिका, मोर, बालिका. Balika is just a balika, means all the balikas are there, means it's not particular name is not there. Okay. Balika means the girls which are under 14 years, under the teenage.
Yes, ma'am.
Those all are called balika. After the teenage, the girls are called ladki. Okay. So balika, more again it's a category, right? Ghoda, nagar, nagar means city, pustak means
Book.
mahila, lady आदि etc. भाववाचक संज्ञा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जिस संज्ञा से किसी के गुण, दोष, भाव या दशा का बोध हो. गुड मीन्स क्वालिटी, एनीवन्स क्वालिटी. ही इज फेयर, ही इज काइंड हार्टेड, ही इज like mad, like that. Dosh again means good, means the positive qualities. Dosh means the negative qualities. Okay. Bhav, feelings. He is happy, he is sad. Okay. Dasha, condition. He is sick. Okay. She is active. So that is a condition. का बोध हो और आइडेंटिफाइड, उसे भाववाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. जैसे बचपन, चाइल्डहुड, मधुरता, स्वीटनेस, सत्य, ट्रुथ, सुंदरता, ब्यूटी, नीचता. नीचता मीन्स क्रुएलिटी. जवानी, यंगनेस, नम्रता, पोलाइटनेस, सज्जनता, ग्रेटनेस एक्सेट्रा. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. अंग्रेजी व्याकरण के प्रभाव से कुछ विद्वान संज्ञा की दो और भेद मानते हैं. एक्चुअली बिकॉज ऑफ द इंग्लिश डेफिनेशन, इंग्लिश ग्रामर, some of the intelligent people or some of the knowledgeable people has given two more classification. In English there are collective noun, material noun is there. The same they have considered in Hindi also. So collective noun we say समुदाय वाचक और समूह वाचक संज्ञा collective noun. द्रव्यवाचक material noun. Okay. समुदायवाचक संज्ञा, ये वे शब्द हैं जो किसी समुदाय का बोध कराते हैं. They identify any group or the collection. जैसे सेना, आर्मी, सभा, असेंबली, कक्षा, क्लास, मंडली, group only, rally kind of thing. That these all are what they are representing. They are representing a group of people, right? So that will come under the category of collective noun. द्रव्यवाचक material noun, ये वे शब्द हैं, the words जो किसी द्रव्य का नाम बताते हैं. द्रव्य means पदार्थ or the material or the object. So they tell the name of any द्रव्य means material, like sona, gold, लोहा, iron, water, तांबा, copper, etc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. संज्ञाओं का रूप परिवर्तन. Now संज्ञा is विकारी शब्द. Okay. Vikari means they can change its form according to the tenses, gender, singular and plural, and the karak shabd. According to that, it will change its formation. Okay. So like I will say ladki ne. Okay. So ladki can become ladkiyon ne. Right. So ladki has become ladkiyon. Why it has become ladkiyon? Because there are so many. So when the vachan is changing, it has changed its form. Okay. Or else
Yes, ma'am.
ladke ne, ladka become ladke. Okay. So because of this, the words which will change its form according to ling, vachan, karak are called vikari shabd. And the words which will not change its form, those words are called avikari shabd. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So sangya comes under the category of vikari shabd. Okay, so now we are this is the first topic is ling. So हिंदी भाषा में दो ही लिंग होते हैं, पुल्लिंग and स्त्रीलिंग. Okay, one more was there that we call napusankaling. Napusankaling means like table, what to say, non-living things. Okay, so pulling
ma'am.
and striling. Pulling means masculine, striling means feminine. So पुल्लिंग शब्द से पुरुष जाति का बोध होता. पुरुष means male, स्त्री means female. Okay, so पुल्लिंग शब्द, पुल्लिंग से पुरुष जाति का, पुल्लिंग represents the masculine and स्त्रीलिंग represents the feminine. Like Ram, Hathi, Balak, right? So Hathi will become स्त्रीलिंग Hathini. Okay, Balak will become Balika.
Yes,
Sher
ma'am.
will become Sherni, right? Now some of these they have given kursi. Kursi is a, in Hindi, all these non-living things also have a gender. Kursi, I will not say mera kursi kahan hai. It is a, kursi is a girl, so it's a meri kursi kahan hai, right? मेरी मेज कहाँ है, मेरी टेबल कहाँ है, and मेरा पंखा कहाँ है. मेरा पंखा, पंखा is a boy, so I will say मेरा पंखा कहाँ है. So all these this non-living things also have a gender, so accordingly they will change the form.
Ma'am, what is kursi, ma'am?
It's a female.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's the striling. Alu, alu is a boy, it's a masculine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now लिंग परिवर्तन. अकारांत तथा आकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दों के अंतिम अ और आ को स्त्रीलिंग बनाने के लिए ई करना. Now, like it is very difficult to some of the rules are there, but it is not always true. Like akarant or akarant, the words which end with a sound, that we say akarant, and akarant, that with the words which end with a sound, like dev, in the last what sound is coming? A sound. So this is akarant. Beta, a, right? In the last what sound is coming? A. So it is a akarant. Okay. So akarant, आकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दों के अंतिम अ और आ को स्त्रीलिंग बनाने के लिए बिग ई में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है. मीन्स वी आर कन्वर्टिंग अकारांत एंड आकारांत शब्द टू कन्वर्ट इनटू स्त्रीलिंग बिग ई, लाइक देव देवी, बेटा बेटी, घोड़ा घोड़ी, नट नटी, दादा दादी, पुत्र पुत्री. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाउ कुछ आकारांत शब्दों के अंतिम आ को स्त्रीलिंग बनाने के लिए इया कर दिया जाता है तथा पहले स्वर को हस्व कर दिया जाता है. लाइक कुत्ता. सो कुत्ता आकारांत. इट इज द व्हाट वी विल से इया. ओके. कुत्तिया मीन्स स्मॉल. The it was big ta, no? So it has become small ta. Okay. Kuttiya.
Yes, ma'am.
Budha, budhiya. Okay. Budha will not become budhi. Budha will become budiya. Dibba, dibiya. Beta, bitiya. Chuha, chuhiya. See, these rules are never correct. Means you cannot make it as a rule. Just on the observation, it is coming. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
End of the day, you have to learn it. You have to do a lot of practice. So gudda, gudiya. Okay. व्यवसाय सूचक. व्यवसाय सूचक means occupation. Something which is related to occupation शब्दों के अंतिम स्वर को स्त्रीलिंग करने के लिए इन कर दिया जाता है. In the end, सुनार. सुनार means the jeweler, the one who works on gold. So sunar, the striling will be sunarin. Luhar, who works on iron, luharin. Kumhar, who works on mud, clay, kumharin. Teli, who works on oil, telin. Dhobi, who works on cloth, dhobin. Mali, malin. Mali is the gardener. Malin, female gardener. Dhobi, washerwoman, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the व्यवसाय वाचक. व्यवसाय सूचक शब्द always they will end with in. Then पदवी और उपजाति वाचक. पदवी, we have defined some the designation to some people like pujari, pandit, right? Pandit means the one who takes care of God in temple. That we say pandit in Hindi. Okay, the same person in church we call padri. The same person in mosque we say maulvi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is some designation they have decided. So pandit we have to how we will change it? Ain. Pandit panditain. Thakur thakurain. Lala lalain. Chaudhary chaudharain. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. कुछ आकारांत शब्दों के अंत में आनी लगाने से. Now there is one more rule. आनी. जेठ जेठानी. Jeth is the husband's elder brother. Devar is husband's younger brother. Okay. So husband's elder brother is Jeth. His wife is Jethani. Husband's younger brother is Devar. His wife is Devrani. Naukar, servant. Naukarani. Mughal. Mughals came in India to rule over us, right? So the female Mughal was called Mughlani. Clear? Doubt is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, finally you have to learn it, right? So what we can do,
Yes, ma'am.
just you tell me when you can give me a test. I'll give you some of the words and you write a test. Okay, you revise it and you write me a test.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is अकारांत शब्दों के अर्थ में नी लगाने से. So ऊंट ऊंटनी, भील भीलनी, शेर शेरनी, सिंह सिंहनी. ओके. कुछ शब्दों में ई को स्त्रीलिंग करने के लिए इनी कर दिया जाता है. स्वामी, if in the and there is e, then it will become swamini. Tapasvi, tapasvini.